oblique of
Axolateral
the
oblique.
mandible.
Axolateral oblique
Okay?
of the mandible.
So, ito yung ating body ng mandible. Ito yung symphysis. Okay? Dito ang ramus ng mandible. Hindi masyadong kita. Okay. Dito naman sa kabila. This is the body of the mandible. This is the ramus of the mandible. This is the angle of the mandible. This is the symphysis. Okay? So, ganun din. Symphysis and the body, the ramus of the mandible, and the angle of the mandible. Okay? So, mapapansin ninyo, hindi magandang pagkakaposition. Kung titingnan ninyo yung kanyang cervical, rotated din ang cervical. And at the same time, yung kanyang mandibular ramus ay superimposed with the cervical vertebrae. Dapat kasi nakaseparate itong mandible sa cervical vertebrae. Katulad din ito, separate din dapat ang mandibular ramus sa cervical vertebrae. Ito cervical vertebrae mo eh. So, superimpose sila with the cervical vertebrae. Kailangan medyo naka-hyperextend ng konti yung position ng ating neck para hindi mag-superimpose yung mandible with the cervical vertebrae. Okay? Next is